What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. We are out here. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. I don't usually film this late, but this is the only time I can film, this time or early in the morning. So I just wanted to get out in the garden and sow some last minute warm season seeds. So I have them here. We're gonna go ahead and sow these very quickly. This is kind of a different video for me because I'm such a perfectionist. I'm not the spur of the moment type of chick to film a video. I like to know and plan everything, but I'm trying something new. You guys bear with me. Y'all know how it is when you got twins, you got small kids. It's just kind of hard to find that time to just dedicate to filming. So with all that being said, we're gonna sow some seeds. Let me show you what I got. So here are the varieties that I'm gonna be planting: Muncher cucumber, early summer prolific straight neck for my seed shop, and then we have an early white bush scallop squash. So we're gonna do those three. I do have my labels already written out. And we're gonna be planting in these containers. So I have one container here. I have another container from Vigo Garden. I did a review on this. I love this one. It is self-watering. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cucumbers in this one. And then over here, I just set these up today. So these are new along this fence line. I just needed some more planting space. So I set this up, and we have 3 different containers that I'm gonna be filling, but I'm gonna put these small little bush scallops in this container and see how they do. So if you are growing in a small space, I am doing some container gardening right now. So make sure you follow along for this one. And yeah, we're just gonna get to planting. I just wanted to plant some seeds today. I'm gonna sow 3 seeds in here and we'll pick which one is the strongest. 1, 2, 3. Cover those up. Okay, so in this container here, we're gonna do these Muncher cucumbers. So, let's see. I think in this space, I'm gonna do a couple more because I'm gonna put a cage in here. So we're gonna do like 3 different little areas. I'll just do like 3 areas. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll put 2 in each and see which one does best. So I'll do 2 seeds there, 2 seeds there. I'll do 2 seeds right here, cover those up. All right, so in this last container, I'm gonna do 2 seeds just right in the middle. And these are our bush scallop. These are so cute, I'm so excited. So all of these seeds, I think they're under 80 days, and we have about 60, 70, we have about 80 days until our first frost. So I'm cutting it a little close, but I think I'm right on time. Let's put our little plant labels in there. These are the Muncher. And then this last container, I have the straight neck. So I'll just put that right there. So we're just putting some worm castings on top. And we'll take another scoop over to here. We'll just spread some over top. And then once the plant starts growing, I'll probably put some fertilizer. I don't have any right now, but just an all-purpose fertilizer on each one. We're gonna go ahead and water these in. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna put a little bit, should I put some compost, black cow? I think I might go ahead and put some black cow and water it in. So let's do that. containers planted. I'm so excited. We're gonna do these other 2 containers another day. I have to figure out what I want to put in them. I'll probably do that in the next video. But it felt so good just to get out here and plant something and just pick up the camera and not have to be perfect. So I'm so glad we got to plant our containers. If you need seeds or anything, make sure you check out my website. It will be linked in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't already, and keep blooming, Royals. Bye.